Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to message log. This is a somewhat risky feature. It's to showcase this feature. Let me just show you a little preview on my alt. So basically all it is you can type in something like, and then you realize, oh wait, this is a guy that does not like cursing or whatever. Well, this is not actually only happening with you. This also happens with other people. Like, let's say, this guy. They edited this, or it looks like they deleted it, but I guess it got whatever. But also, so yeah, as I said, it does not only happen with you, it also happens with other people. You should see a little pop-up right here when something happens. Like, you delete something, like this. There should be a little, okay, there's not a pop-up, okay. Thank you for making me look like an idiot. But yeah, no, it's just, it shows you deleted messages and messages you deleted. You can actually disable seeing your own messages and other people's messages in settings, so if you just want to disable it for a second, because it is somewhat risky, you can do that. But yeah, on with actually doing this, you first want to go to Better Discord. This will be linked in the description, and it's just an install. It adds onto your Discord. You have to have Discord first, obviously. So yeah, just click download, click keep. It's not anything dangerous, it's just an exe file. Okay, there we go. And then you just say I accept the agreement, next, install Better Discord, and then next, and you click on your Discord. Once you're done with that, there's going to be a few more things down the line, a few more things. It's just normal installs. It's just normal. If you have any problems with this, I'll have a video linked in the description. I reinstalled this, so I'm not gonna go down that rabbit hole. But yeah, now that you got Better Discord installed, supposedly, all you gotta do is go to my Discord. Linked in the description. Now, normally you would have to go to a random link and download this thing. That's kind of gimmicky, so yeah, you have to go, yeah, whatever. But yeah, no, just go to my Discord and you'll get this Java thing, JavaScript file. Just download that. I do not own this. It actually says the owner right here. It has their PayPal if you want to donate. I didn't know they had a website. Whoops. I'll link their website maybe if I remember. But yeah, no, just download that. And then when you're done with that, you just go to your plugins folder on your Better Discord, open plugin folder, and you have this. You will not have all these four plugins. You should actually have 0, because that's how it works. Go to your open thing right here. Go find your thing, your JavaScript file, and just drag it in there. I already have it in there because I basically already did all this stuff. Now when we're done with that, you should either have a green pop-up right here saying that you're installed it, but if you don't have that, you should press Ctrl R. If you do not get the green pop-up on the bottom of your screen, press Ctrl R. If you do not have the Better Discord tab right here, you can go to my Discord, get help. I will go into a VC with you personally. Yeah, you're gonna be in a call of celebrity. Me. I'm a celebrity, I'm a big man. But no, yeah, just go on my Discord. You can ask me for help. Really active thing. Really active. So yeah. If there's any more help you need, just go there. But yeah, I'll be linking all of their stuff, their things, and their, if I can find YouTube, in the description. I'm out. Once again, I need sleep.